He says, I have a 2019 RX TX that cracked the bottom hull. Are there any solutions from Sea-Doo on these? Insurance wants to fix it. I feel like it'll crack again and be out the year. What would you do? Well, if you are under warranty, you're going to want to go through the proper channels that warranty is going to cover. If you are paying out of pocket for this, and you're working through insurance, well, I mean, actually, let's turn to Dave. Dave, in addition to Riva Racing, you're also Riva Motorsports. So, what would you suggest?
Well, Kevin, you mentioned warranty. BRP or Sea-Doo is not going to warranty it if it impacted a hard object. If it just cracked from water pressure, and that's pretty obvious that it didn't hit something, you might have something to talk to Sea-Doo about, to BRP about.
Okay.
As far as customer service, but it's a 2019, so it's probably out of warranty.
That's true.
Probably far out of warranty. So then it comes down to the basic question is, can it be repaired? Will the repair stick? Without seeing how bad it is, I don't know how bad this is. If the whole front's caved in, you might have, that's an area of very high stress, the very front where that ski V's. And
right.
I know that BRP added extra support to that. I believe in 2019, from 2018 to 2019, they put some extra support in back of that area. But if it's all broken through, it might be best to, if it's really bad, it might be best to look for another hull.
Yeah.
But I've seen them repaired. We did a repair in our Pompano Beach store of a bow that caved in due to, I forgot what the guy hit, and it stayed pretty well. But every repair is different. You have to see how bad.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to want to, if you're paying out of pocket, if you're looking for, or if your insurance is having you look for a shop, you're really going to want to start asking around for a reputable shop that has had some really good, really good results. Word of mouth is always really good. Go on to, I hate to say it, but maybe even venture on to Facebook, go on to some Sea-Doo groups that are in your, that are local to your area, and say, hey guys, I'm looking for a shop that's got really good results. Who do you recommend? And you're going to have to do some legwork on that end. But like Dave is saying, not all shops are created equal.
Yeah.
And
if it's a large impact below the bond rail in that front area, it takes a lot of water pressure. It really has to be done right. But it can be fixed depending on how bad it is. I'd have to see it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.